Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make white chicken feet. This Chinese snack is also called Baiyun Chicken Feet. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare the sweet and sour sauce. Add 100 grams sugar, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 tablespoon white wine, 400 ml vinegar, 800 ml water into the pot. Then use the bigger fire to boil it. After the water has boiled, pour it into the container and put it at room temperature. You can taste it to make sure that it fits your flavor. If not, you can add some water, salt, or vinegar to adjust it. Then keep it in the refrigerator. Next, we should prepare ingredients. Cut 3 slices of ginger. Then save them for later. Cut 5 chili peppers into small pieces. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 500 gram chicken feet. Cut off the nails of the chicken feet. Then cut the chicken feet into 2 pieces. Then save them for later. Next, we should blanch chicken feet. Firstly, add chicken feet, enough water into the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon white wine, 3 slices of ginger into the pan. The white wine can help us to remove the meat flavor of the chicken feet. Use the bigger fire to boil them. After the water has boiled, use the small fire to blanch chicken feet for 15 minutes. We should skim the bubble when the water is boiling. After 15 minutes, drain the chicken feet and use cold water to wash them twice. Then use ice water to cook them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can start to marinate white chicken feet. Drain the chicken feet from the ice water. Then put the chicken feet, chili peppers into the sweet and sour sauce. Stir them evenly. Then cover with a plastic wrap and chill them overnight for at least 8 hours. After 8 hours, we got the delicious white chicken feet. The white chicken feet are very crisp and tasty. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.